In online marketing, there's a super common misconception. Everybody who studied marketing, studied some kind of business or whatever they did, they think they know everything when it comes to dropshipping. They think they can apply all the strategies and techniques they learned there in the dropshipping business. But really, it's super far from reality. The problem is that marketing skills or some kind of business skills which you learn in school, high school, like university, college, wherever, are not applicable because of one simple reason. All those teachings are for huge brands. If you would be working for Apple or BMW, it would be perfect. You could apply all these skills in those big companies. You could make brand awareness campaigns where you basically just see the logo somewhere on the street, somewhere during a football game, in the commercial, wherever, and then people will remember that brand, and then later they're gonna buy it whenever they want to buy a car, whenever they want to buy a phone, or whatever they want to do. However, dropshipping is direct response marketing. That means that you want to get a person who never heard of your brand, who never saw your product page or your product, you want to get that person to buy immediately. In the next couple of minutes, he has to give you money. He has to pay you. That's completely different to what I was talking about with Apple or BMW. That's two completely different strategies. Dropshipping is direct response marketing. It's completely different to everything you learned in every college and every university or wherever. Nobody teaches direct response marketing. In dropshipping, you basically have to get a person who never heard of your product, who never heard of your website, who never even saw your ad or nothing, to convert in the next 5 minutes. You need them to buy immediately, okay? And that's completely different than running some kind of brand awareness campaigns for huge companies. And it's extremely important to distinguish those two things. In direct response marketing, you have to be acting extremely to the point. The first couple of seconds of the ad has to be perfect. The whole ad has to be really, really good. Then the whole funnel has to be much better than when a huge brand does it, where they basically just get people to convert anyways. What a lot of people do wrong is that they keep running ads which are not profitable because they think their brand is getting awareness, and they're basically doing a lot of Instagram, a lot of Facebook posts, a lot of SEO. Those three things are completely useless. You don't need to do SEO, no Instagram posts, no Facebook posts. That's not needed. Because first you have to be sure that your product has a proven concept, that it works. And I've also seen a lot of people who just don't kill their ad sets on Facebook because they think that later on people will convert. In reality, you have to be at least breaking even to keep running your ad sets. It's really important to kill everything that's not profitable super quickly. And you should never run unprofitable campaigns when dropshipping in general. Later on, when you brand, it's a little bit different, but even then, it shouldn't be the case. Also, there's a huge misconception that people think that their store has to be perfectly branded when they get started. You don't need a brand when you get started. You don't need high-end commercials when you get started. You just need videos which look really good on Instagram. It doesn't have to be super high production. It can be done with an iPhone, because if you go to your Instagram feed, you're gonna see so many viral videos which are not high quality at all, and they work still. So you have to replicate that because you don't have a huge budget for the ads. And what you have to understand is branding is the last step. Before you have a proven concept, you're not allowed to brand. It's crucial to understand that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, then click the like below this video, subscribe to the channel, and also if you are interested in a one-on-one consultation session with me personally, I would highly recommend that as well. So click the link below this video, sign up for a free consultation session with me personally, and we're gonna talk. So yeah, I'm gonna answer all your questions about dropshipping, e-commerce, whatever you have as a question. I'm gonna cover that and help you out with everything, okay? So hopefully I see you there, or if not, then at least in the next video. And yeah, take care.